one time, I was walking here, pumasok ako, and lahat ng sinabi ni Tita Maxi was kind of, umugma. So yun, may mga advice siyang binigay, and at that time, my main concern was my business. So okay naman, I've been in my business for 20 years. Siguro na-meet ko si Tita Maxi. Tita Maxi, 2006. Yung reading niya was okay. The advices were okay. So, yun yung pinanghahawakan ko pagka you're feeling down. Pag sinabi niya na think positive, you hold on to the charms. Alam mo yun, when you're desperate, you need something to hold on. So, eto yun. Si Tita Maxi yun. Na every time you go here, mindset, nababago yung mindset mo. Kasi feng shui naman is science and it doesn't conflict with my religion. So, okay lang. Kasi science nga yung feng shui eh. So, depende sa ako. Bakit kay Tita Maxi? Kasi na-proven na magaling siya magbasa. To me, effective lahat ng advice niya. Unlike yung mga previous na napuntahan ko, sabi ko nga, I'm Catholic, but why do I believe in feng shui? Desperate times. Dumarating ka sa puntong bagsak na bagsak ka, and this is your only hope. Ine-enhance mo yung dasal mo with charms to veer away the negative energy.